Are your legs feeling weaker than they used to? Do you sometimes stand up from a chair and feel unsteady? Maybe climbing stairs feels harder than before, and deep inside you wonder, is this just aging? But what if I told you something shocking? What if the real problem is not your age, but what is missing from your plate? After 60, your body changes quietly. Muscle mass starts decreasing every year. This natural process is called sarcopenia. If you don't fight it, it steals strength slowly. First, you feel tired. Then your legs feel heavy. Then balance becomes uncertain. And weak legs are dangerous, because weak legs mean higher fall risk. Weak legs mean loss of independence. Weak legs mean depending on others. But here's the good news. Your muscles can still grow stronger, even after 60, even after 70, even after 80. The shocking reveal is simple. Most seniors are not eating enough protein. Yes, something that simple. Protein is not just for bodybuilders. It is not only for young athletes. Protein is the building block of your muscles. Without enough protein, your legs shrink. With enough protein, your legs rebuild. And one of the most powerful foods you can eat after 60 is eggs. Eggs are small but powerful. They contain high-quality, complete protein. They have all essential amino acids, especially leucine. Leucine directly signals your muscles to grow. After 60, your body becomes less sensitive to protein. This is called anabolic resistance. That means you need slightly more protein to get the same muscle-building effect. One egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of protein. But it is not just protein. Eggs also contain vitamin D. Vitamin D supports muscle strength and balance. Many seniors are deficient in vitamin D. Low vitamin D is linked to muscle weakness. Eggs also contain B12. B12 supports nerve health. Healthy nerves help muscles contract properly. Now imagine this. You start your day with 2 eggs. Your muscles receive essential amino acids. Your nerves receive B12 support. Your bones receive vitamin D, all from one simple breakfast. But eggs are not the only hero. Greek yogurt is another powerful food. It contains more protein than regular yogurt. It also contains calcium. Calcium supports muscle contraction. Without calcium, muscles cannot function properly. Many seniors avoid dairy, but if you tolerate it well, Greek yogurt can be a daily strength booster. Now let's talk about something unexpected: beans and lentils. Many people think meat is the only protein source, but lentils, chickpeas, and beans are powerful. They provide plant protein and fiber. Fiber supports gut health, and gut health affects nutrient absorption. If your gut is weak, you cannot absorb protein properly. If you cannot absorb protein, your muscles suffer. Add lentil soup to your weekly meals. Add chickpeas to your salad. Your legs will thank you. Another shocking food for leg strength is salmon. Salmon contains high-quality protein, but more importantly, it contains omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation accelerates muscle loss. After 60, inflammation increases naturally. Omega-3 helps protect muscle tissue. Research shows omega-3 may improve muscle function in older adults. That means stronger steps, better balance, less stiffness. Even 2 servings of fatty fish per week can make a difference over time. Now, listen carefully. It is not only about protein. Magnesium also plays a key role. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation and contraction. Low magnesium can cause cramps and weakness. Foods rich in magnesium include spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and avocados. Spinach is especially powerful. It contains magnesium and antioxidants. Antioxidants reduce muscle cell damage. Add a handful of spinach to your omelet. Add seeds to your yogurt. Small habits create strong legs. Now I want you to think about hydration. Many seniors are slightly dehydrated. Dehydration reduces muscle performance. Even mild dehydration can increase fatigue.
Drink enough water daily. Add electrolytes if necessary. Your muscles need fluid to function. Another powerful but ignored nutrient is potassium. Potassium helps muscle contraction. Low potassium can cause weakness and cramps. Bananas are famous for potassium, but sweet potatoes and beans are also rich sources. Imagine this daily routine: breakfast, eggs and spinach; snack, Greek yogurt with seeds; lunch, lentil soup and whole grains; dinner, grilled salmon with sweet potato. This is not a luxury diet. This is a strength-preserving plan. But let me tell you something important. Food alone is not enough. You must stimulate the muscles. Even simple chair squats help. Even walking daily helps. Even light resistance bands help. When you combine protein with movement, magic happens. Your muscles receive a signal from exercise. Then protein provides the building blocks. That's how strength returns. Many seniors say, "I'm too old to build muscle." That is not true. Studies show muscle growth is possible even in people over 80. Consistency is the secret, not intensity, not perfection, consistency. Let's talk about another important factor: timing of protein intake. Instead of eating most protein at dinner, spread it across the day. 20 to 30 grams per meal is ideal for muscle stimulation. If you eat only toast for breakfast, your muscles get almost nothing. Start your day with protein. End your day with protein. Now, let's address a common mistake. Some seniors reduce food intake drastically because appetite decreases with age, but eating too little accelerates muscle loss. If you're not hungry, choose nutrient-dense foods: eggs, yogurt, fish, nuts. Small portions, high nutrition. Another shocking truth is this: sugar weakens muscles indirectly. High sugar intake increases inflammation. Inflammation damages muscle tissue. Reduce processed sugar. Replace sugary snacks with protein snacks. You might feel changes in a few weeks. Standing becomes easier. Walking feels lighter. Confidence increases. And confidence matters because fear of falling can reduce activity. Less activity means more weakness. It becomes a vicious cycle. Break that cycle today. Strengthen your legs through food. Support your muscles daily. Feed them what they truly need. You are not powerless after 60. Your body still responds. Your muscles still adapt. Your strength is not gone. It is waiting for proper support. Imagine 6 months from now. You walk without fear. You climb stairs confidently. You stand up without pushing with your hands. That future starts with your next meal. So remember this shocking reveal. It is not expensive supplements. It is not complicated programs. It is real food. Protein-rich, nutrient-dense food. Eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, salmon, spinach, seeds, sweet potatoes. Simple foods, powerful impact. Start today. Your legs are listening.